Namaste friends. Let me tell you all the most easiest method to make our hair wash shampoo. For this we need ground soap nut powder ready. So just take whole soap nuts, de-seed them, grind them in a mixie jar. I have used the soap nuts from Nature's Choice from Hyderabad. We get de-seeded soap nuts from here and the quality is also very good. Then just boil around 250 ml of water. Depending on your hair length, if you require more quantity, you may add little more water. Add 3 parts of the prepared soap nut powder, 1 part of amla powder, or we can even add triphala powder, 1 part. Then we can also add shikakai powder at this time. Other easily available ingredients that are very good for our hair like the fenugreek seeds, hibiscus flower petals, amla, orange peels or pomegranate peels can also be added. Stir once and continue to boil the mixture in low flame by keeping the lid slightly open. Then switch off the stove and leave it overnight like this. Early morning when we are supposed to take bath, just mix the whole mixture once and filter it and use. We could also use the rice starch instead of water, either while boiling the herbs or at the end while extracting the saponins. Using rice starch is completely optional. Sometimes I mix even dal powders like chana dal powder or moong dal powders into this liquid extract and wash the hair. These dals and lentil powders are very nourishing and a good protein for the hair. They also cleanse the hair very well. And do you know something? Just simply mixing these gram flours with the rice starch can wash our hair and also condition amazingly. If you don't like to make this shampoo each time you take head bath, then just opt for the 100% natural shampoo that we already have in the channel, which we can make in bulk and use for a longer periods. I hope you all also try these easiest shampoo making methods and help yourself and also our planet. Thank you.